Okay na? You ready? Okay, adjust lang sa taas. Baka makita naman. Okay, ready? Sige po, ready? Closer. Walking. Siguro, stay daw muna kasi meron pang nahuli. Oh. One last smile. Last na lang. Don't worry po yung iba na hindi makapatake ng picture. Meron pa tayong time sa reception area po. Okay, ready? Okay, closer. Smile. Ito din maso kanina pa. Ayan, next is our in-laws. Stay po muna tayo. Yung mga asawa po ng kapatid at saka anak. Meron po. Opo. Baka naman ako. Ayun po, please join the family.
Ikaw, Bipot. Ito tagaw. Oh. Kita. Thank you. Kita. Salamat po na. Dito
May paglabag.
Reception pa tayo. Divina Gracia family. Please join the couple together with the family here. Sige po. Ayan. Medyo closer kayo. Madami masyado, so medyo dikit. Ayan. Ito yung iba. Ayan. Meron pa ba? Meron pa naiwan? Tita. Okay na? Ano pa? Sige, habol. Kayo lang din naman. Sige na po. Okay, ready? Okay na? Ready? Sige sa camera. Smile. Closer. More closer. Hug. Okay, walking. Ano mo? Ang ganda niyo pa din sa walking. Okay po. Sa ano naman po? Sa father na side. Okay. Cooking family. Please join the couple. Cooking family. Yung mga apo, yung mga tita, tito. Ayan, yung mga pinsan. Doc Grace. Doc, saan po kayo, Doc? Ayan. Diba pa kayo si Doc? Okay, ready? Mahaba. Sino po? Ito po. Punta ka dito lang ga. Sige, ayan. Ayan. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, sa camera. Smile. Closer. Walking lang, peace lahat. Meron pa ba? Ayun ang camera, sa gitna, kay Kuya. Nag-weld ng isa. Alright. Oh, wait lang. One more. Closer. Closer, smile. Okay, thank you so much. Next is our best man and maid of honor. ang Maid of Honor. Okay, church family. Okay po. The rest of the guests, entourage, pwede na po kayong mag-proceed sa reception area po natin. Meron pa tayong second set na pictorial mamaya. Bawal daw po Yes po. Lahat po ha, pati ninang, nilong, baka alam nyo kung saan kayo upo. If you have concerns or question, andyan po yung premier coordinator po natin. Tanungin nyo lang po. Tol Entourage, huwag po muna kayong umuwi ha. Need pa namin kayo sa labas. Magpipictorial pa tayo. Mag-post na pa tayo with the entourage. Yung mga bridesmaids, groomsmen, at saka best man, stay po muna kayo sa church ha. Huwag po muna kayong umuwi doon sa venue. Opo.
We wait. We're not in a hurry. Oh, we need you. We wait. All our cares and worries we lay aside for you. Oh, how we long to see your face.
Baru na ito kay Nonoy. Saan?
Oh, how we long to fill this house with praise. Let your holy fire.
Itong nasabi ko sa kanya. Alay, nasa langit na ba ako? Nasa langit na ba ako? Mama, kayo po ba si San Pedro? Kayo ba si San Pedro? Okay lang sa akin kung ako'y dinulay.
Yeah. Hindi ko pagkatuan, hindi gin magandar. Jumperan. Wala man fuse, di jumper.
Di pa ano na.
Diretso lang. Ara si kumpa.
a beautiful afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is the wedding reception of Kurt and Charmaine, our Mr. and Mrs. Cocktail. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. Good afternoon. Thank you very much, everyone, for coming. And now, I'm about to present to you the family of our couple today, the father of the groom, Mr. Ephraim Cocktail. Palakpakan po natin siya. Here we go, Mr. Ephraim. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the father of our groom. Come on, sir. Woo! Hey, 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 hey. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Woo! Hey. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That is the father of our groom for this afternoon. And now let me present to you the bride's family. A big round of applause for Mrs. To the members and our bridesmaids with the beautiful maid of honor, let's give it up for the dancing team bride. Come on, girls. Come on. The stage is all yours. Come on. Come on. Oh, lovely ladies. Come on, darling. Wow. Woo. Come on, bouncing. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, our beautiful Filipinas. Moving on to the members of the groomsmen with the best man for today. A big round of applause for the team groom. Come on, boys. Now your turn, team boys. Wala na bang mas malakas na palakpakan mula sa ating lahat? We should be dancing! Hey! 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 Maraming salamat. Buti na lang anak. And so with that, I'm about to present sa labuhin natin ang isang masigapong palakpakan, our couple for today. Let's give it up for Kurt and Charmaine, our Mr. and Mrs. Cocktail. Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Maraming salamat. Let us all be seated. Palakpakan po natin ang ating mga sarili. And thank you very much for staying this afternoon. And we are very happy to see you all still smiling and excited to see our husband and wife. That includes, of course, our presence of your sister, Miss Avenel Allen. Ladies and gentlemen, this is now a family moment. A waltz for the both of you, ma'am, sir. Today, you're supposed to be dancing with your mom, but tonight our beautiful Neil represents your mother. I know you appreciate life with God's blessings, and that is the members of the family supporting, loving you, and taking care of you always. A beautiful moment once again.
Teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is wrong.
And of course, sir and ma'am, hindi ito matatapos sa isang simpleng sayaw lamang because I will have to invite at the center, please, Ma'am Van, stay with the groom dahil aakyat ang ating padre de pamilya. The father of the groom, Sir Ev, I know you are ready for this. We are about to hear